when I really chose to grow my landscape lighting design business, I needed to make a decision on the product I'm offering, something that was consistent, something that was scalable, and something that cut down my service calls. So using a retrofit or using a lamp inside of a fixture, I knew that I was going to elevate or double my service calls and force me to have relamps every 3 to 5 years. Using integrated products was also going to be an issue. So for myself and for you, we want to make service calls as simple and easy as possible. Use components that you could simply store in the service vehicle, so when you roll out the trucks, you're able to have the right equipment to quickly take care of your clients. So choosing the right product is important. At Sterling Lighting, I have proven in my company and in a lot of the other companies we've worked with, how important it is to choose the right product and be consistent in that so you could scale your business and focusing on great designs and earning new clients. Whether you're brand new to landscape lighting or you've been doing landscape lighting installs and designs for many years, one thing that's important to understand is your name and your reputation goes on every job that you put in the ground. It is so important to pick the right product out. And if you've been around a while, you've been burned, you've tried products that really did not perform well and left you holding the bag. At Sterling Lighting, our promise to you is to design a product that's better, to deliver on a product that is going to stand up and that's going to actually enhance your reputation. Try Sterling Lighting today, see the common sense engineering that went into it, and see how it's going to perform better and also cut down your service so that you can grow your business.